Joy video today to make up for missed days.
On Friday, Rachel fainted. Yeah, and yesterday, I was simply following a trend.
It was peer pressure.
So, what do we talk about now?
The weather?
Is that meant to be ironic, or are we really that pathetic?
I'll let you decide.
So, it's been pretty hot out lately. Yeah. So it's You're ruining it for me! Hello? Okay, fine. Whenever I say something mean, you laugh at me.
Okay, sorry.
My sister is a crazy person.
Go again.
And this is why we don't like joint videos.
Go again!
Hi. You are so creeper.
I'm creeper.
I can't look at you. Hi. Let it out.
Read it in.
Say no drugs.